Okay, so today's project is where repairing the skin, the front skin on a door panel, on the lower door panel. And we are going to refab these pieces on the frame so that the skin has something solid to hook to and to weld to. So we want to be able to keep the contour of the door here and here, so we know we have a point and a point here, so that we can butt weld this in and then overlay here. You see how over here this frame part is gone, so we will put a piece in here of this door so that there will be something for the skin to fold over and to weld to. So that is the project. I'll show you the front side of this, the skin, momentarily.